My first impressions handling this knife are that it feels like my Mora, or that is my first impression, is that it feels like my Mora. It's heavier in the hand in a good way. You know how light Opinels are. It's got a little bit more power behind it than the number 9. I think it's a keeper. This is going to be my bushcraft knife when I don't bring a belt knife or a fixed blade. There's no question in my mind, after using this for a few minutes out here, that this is going to be my folding bushcraft knife. I guess I was reluctant before to get into such a large size with the Opinel, because you know, with larger blade sizes come more responsibility, and with folding collar, you know, it's not the most secure thing in the world, so I always liked using the smaller blades. This blade at about 4 inches, this blade is really, you know, just about exactly the size of the Mora companion. But after using Opinels now for a year quite regularly, I'm fairly comfortable and confident about the limitations and the utility of the knife. I'm familiar with the limitations of the collar and knowing to keep an eye on that, because with heavy use it will come loose sometimes. Unlock your collar whenever you go to batten. That's dry red maple. I'm not saying you want to use your Opinel to go around the forest battening wood everywhere. I'm just demonstrating that you can do it. And the number 10 is a good bushcraft knife. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have fun with your Opinels.